Ali Akbar Group is the leading agrochemical group in Pakistan, providing trustworthy agricultural services to the peasantry since its inception in 1993. It has been committed to help the agriculture sector and to play a vital role in improving the socio-economic development of the country. Ali Akbar Group is the only manufacturer of pesticides ingredients in Pakistan. It has the biggest state-of-the-art and only manufacturing facility in Pakistan that stands the biggest in subcontinent and the third biggest in the whole Asian region. It is also working in the field of seeds and fertilizers. Ali Akbar Group is also involved in telecommunication sector with the brand name of Trend Mobiles. Another addition to Ali Akbar's ventures is Public Health and Household Department, which deals in manufacturing, sales and application of termiticides and fumigation chemicals. Mirage, Torque and Bouncer are the three important and effective termiticides. Mirage is the leading brand in termiticide sector in Pakistan. Mirage is manufactured in the highly automatic, high-tech and state-of-the-art facility. This plant is equipped with latest technology imported from leading countries around the world. The manufacturing plant is incorporated with highly skilled research staff that keeps it updated with latest development in the field of termiticides. There are 2 fully equipped laboratories to conduct all the research and development services regarding efficiency, residuality, safety and quality of our chemicals. Mirage is manufactured to eliminate the termite colonies. Mirage helps to keep our houses and other building premises free from these hazardous creatures. Mirage fulfills all the requirements expected of the best quality termiticide brand. Termites are social insects that live in the form of colony. It has got a family hierarchy of different members having different roles to play. The nucleus of the family is queen, who plays the central role in the family. There is also a king, soldiers and workers. Workers are considered as the most harmful for human installation. Mirage has been specially designed to eradicate the whole colony of different termite species to save human possession. The ingredient of Mirage is called imidacloprid. Mirage LD50, that is, the quantity at which 50% population of 1 kg rats gets killed, is the highest when compared with rest of its competitors. The more the LD50 level, the more safe that chemical is considered. That's why it is most safe product available in the market. Mirage is available in SC or suspension concentrate formulation. It is the only product available in market in this formulation. SC formulations are water-based and don't contain petroleum components like xylene, benzene, nitrobenzene as in EC or emulsifiable concentrate formulation. Mirage is purely odorless and environment friendly. It has got very strong bonding capacity with built-in immense capacity to stick with soil particles, and that's why it doesn't contaminate underground water. Specialized emulsifiers from Huntsman, Australia, which is the largest manufacturer of inert materials in the world, are added for this purpose. Mirage is considered most effective product in the termiticide field, which is 100% effective against the termite. It belongs to chloronicotinol family, that is a non-repellent brand and is a broad-spectrum contact and stomach poison. Owing to Mirage's highest half-life of approximately 355 days, Mirage is approximately 2.5 times more persistent in soil when compared with a repellent chemical. Public Health and Household Department is also manufacturing fumigation chemicals to kill flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, lizards and other insects. There are two fumigation products, Guardian and Guardian Plus. These are very effective products and harmless for human beings as well as environment friendly. Guardian Plus is the only perfumed and food graded product available in market for this particular purpose. A very skilled team of pest control officers equipped with most modern equipments to fulfill requirements of our clients is just a phone call away.